dinedeliver yung mga ganitong kalalaking amount?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair, since nabanggit ko kanina na wala naman po kaming memorandum of agreement as to the cash delivery.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes,
Can
Congressman.
we inquire
Garin.
from other resource person if indeed a memorandum of agreement is needed when you use the, what do you call that? The special vehicle, armored vehicle.
Miss Camposano. Ma'am, before I recognize you, the chair would like to recognize Senior Deputy Speaker, Don Gonzales. Yes, please continue.
Yes, Madam Chair, a memorandum of agreement is needed for us to deliver the cash to our client.
In this case, did you not suggest or recommend to the agencies concerned